Chancellor, if I were to stand here and list all of Deborah Barrow's many accomplishments, we'd be here for another 2 hours, and I don't think that's going to work no matter what. Deborah's been affiliated with Trent University since 1989. She's a longtime director of the Trent Queen's Concurrent Education Program, and then was the founding director of the Trent School of Education and Professional Learning, both of which she helped to build into something quite unique and with national reputations. Deborah is an extraordinary teacher, mentor, researcher, and administrator with an impressive list of teaching awards, including Trent's Simons Award for Excellence in Teaching, the Queen's Faculty of Education Golden Apple Award for Teaching Excellence, and a 3M Teaching Fellowship, a national award. She's had a profound impact on countless numbers of students and faculty members as both an inspirational teacher and a mentor. She's an active researcher with 116 publications to her name, and her research, particularly in the area of childhood literacy, has had a positive impact beyond the walls of the university. Some of the initiatives that she spearheaded are the Pen Pals program, pairing teacher candidates with grades 1 to 3 students, supporting readers through tutoring with the Learning Disabilities Association, community-based tutoring with the Curve Lake First Nations School. Deborah has also been an avid supporter of cross-disciplinary initiatives. In the 1990s, for example, she was instrumental in helping Trent develop courses in science and mathematics education for elementary school teacher candidates. I'm happy to report that those courses continue today and are envied across the country. On a personal note, I was happy to be involved in the creation of one of those courses. Deborah has also been an active supporter of Trent's Instructional Development Center and has initiated or presented more workshops on teaching effectiveness than any other Trent faculty member. As you can tell, it's impossible to separate her research from her teaching, from her service, as each one informs the others. Given Deborah's interest in literacy, let me close with a reference to a children's book. The modern classic Miss Rumphius by the American author and illustrator Barbara Cooney tells the story of Alice Rumphius, who longed to travel the world, live in a house by the sea, and do something to make the world a more beautiful place. She accomplished all of these things during her lifetime, the last of which by strewing lupin seeds everywhere she went, so that by the time she was older, the laneways and coastlines of Maine where she lived were abloom with beautiful flowers. Deborah, too, has traveled the world, collaborating with researchers around the globe. She's lived by the sea, as each summer she and Michael retreat to their cottage on the coast of Maine. And I don't know whether she's been scattering lupin seeds, but I do know that she's sown a great many seeds of inspiration in the hearts and minds of her students and colleagues, and by extension, in their students. In so doing, Deborah has indeed made the world a better place. Mr. Chancellor, I am honored to present to you for Trent's Eminent Service Award someone for whom I have the utmost respect, and my dear friend, Deborah Barrow.